everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech TV, how to download Telegram Messenger on your Android device. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming updates from us. In order to download Telegram Messenger on your Android device, first make sure that you are connected to an internet, of course. Turn on your Wi-Fi or your cellular data, and once connected, tap Open Play Store. Go to the search box at the very top and give it a tap. Type in Telegram into the search box and search. You'll be able to see the application popping up at the very top on the next page. You can tap on the install button right next to the app in order to begin the downloading process. If you tap on the application one more time, you'll be able to see further information about the app, its ratings and reviews, and its previews. Wait until the app gets downloaded and installed on your Android, which will only take a couple of minutes. Once done, you should see an open button popping up. If you tap that on, your application will be launched on and is ready for use. That is how you can easily download Telegram Messenger application on your Android device quick and easy. How to export WhatsApp chat to Telegram. In order to export or transfer WhatsApp chat to your Telegram using your iPhone, start off by tapping open your WhatsApp application and make sure that you are logged in. From your chat screen of WhatsApp, select the conversation that you would like to transfer or export to Telegram. Once you open up your conversation, tap on the profile of the person. This will open up the chat info page. Now, from this page, scroll all the way down until you see Export Chat option. Give it a tap and select whether you'd like to export attaching your media or without the media by selecting one of the options. Now, from the pop-up displayed, tap on Telegram and you'll be taken to this Telegram application from where you'll have to select the relevant contact from the list. Now, soon after you do that, you'll get to select your contact, tap on the contact, and tap on Import in order to import your WhatsApp message to Telegram. Once you tap on Import, you'll be able to export your WhatsApp chat to Telegram chat. How to find groups on Telegram. Start off by tapping open your Telegram app on your mobile device. Make sure that you're logged into it, and once you do, tap on the horizontal bar at the upper left-hand corner of the screen, and this will open up an expanded menu. Now, tap on People Nearby and tap on Allow Access in order to enable location access for your device. Tap on Allow only while using the app in the pop-up. You'll be able to see People Nearby on the next page. If there are any local groups in your area, it'll be listed under Groups Nearby category. Select any group that you'd like to join into and tap it on. At the bottom, select Join, and that way you'll be able to join in to a group by finding it on Telegram. That was how you can quickly find a group and join into it on Telegram.
How to fix Telegram groups that cannot be displayed. At first, open Telegram on your device and tap the search icon. Here, search for Nicegram bot and tap on it. Next, tap Start. The automated message will pop up. Most of the groups cannot be displayed because of age restrictions and sensitive content. So tap I am 18 plus years old and show sensitive content. Once you are done, tap OK. You can also go to the Nicegram website to change these settings. Now you must uninstall Telegram and reinstall it. When you log in, the changes will be applied. And that's how you fix Telegram. This group cannot be displayed. How to fix Telegram messages that cannot be displayed. At first, open Telegram on your device and tap the search icon. Here, search for Nicegram bot and tap on it. Next, tap Start. The automated message will pop up. Most of the messages cannot be displayed because of age restrictions and sensitive content. So tap I am 18 plus years old and show sensitive content. Once you are done, tap OK. You can also go to the Nicegram website to change these settings. Now you must uninstall Telegram and reinstall it. When you log in, the changes will be applied. How to fix Telegram not downloading issue. First, open the Play Store on your device. Here, type Telegram and tap on it. If you see an update button, tap on it. Your app needs to be up to date to function properly. So, open Telegram to check if the file can be downloaded. If it is not working yet, open Telegram on your device and tap the menu icon at the top left and tap Settings. Here, tap Data and Storage. And under Disk and Network Usage, tap Storage Usage. Next, under Keep Media, set your timeline to Forever. And tap Clear Telegram Cache. Tap Clear Cache to confirm. Similarly, tap Clear Local Database. And tap Clear to confirm. Once you are done, try downloading the file again. If there is still an issue, press and hold the Telegram icon. And tap App Info. Here, tap Force Stop at the bottom right. And tap OK. Again, go to the Telegram app and download the file. And that's how you fix Telegram not downloading. How to fix Telegram search not working issue. At first, open Telegram on your device and tap the search icon. If you are not able to search, close the app and check your internet connection. You can restart the router or turn off the Wi-Fi on your device and turn it back on. Next, open Telegram and check if the search is working. If it is not working yet, open the Play Store. Here, search for Telegram and tap on it. If you see an update button, tap on it. Your app needs to be up to date to function properly. Once again, open Telegram to check if the search is working. If there is still an issue, press and hold the Telegram icon and tap App Info. Here, tap Force Stop at the bottom right and tap OK. Next, tap Storage and tap Clear Cache at the bottom right. Similarly, tap Manage Storage and tap Clear Local Database. Tap Clear to confirm. Once you are done, go to the Telegram app and try making a search. And that's how you fix Telegram search not working. How to fix Telegram too many attempts issue. If you are logged out of your Telegram account because of too many login attempts, press and hold the Telegram icon and tap App Info. Here, tap Force Stop at the bottom right and tap OK. Next, tap Storage and tap Clear Cache at the bottom right. Similarly, tap Manage Storage and tap Clear Local Database. Tap Clear to confirm. Once you are done, go to the Telegram app and try to log in. But if this does not work, you must wait 24 to 48 hours and try logging in again. And that's how you fix Telegram too many attempts.
How to group call on Telegram. Now let's get started. Tap Open Telegram app from your app drawer and make sure you're logged into it. In order to make a group call on Telegram, tap Open one of your group from the conversation thread. Once you open up your group, tap on the group name at the very top of the screen and tap on the three dots at the upper right-hand corner on the next page. Now, select Start Video Chat from the pop-up menu. Allow Telegram to record audio by tapping on Allow. When you make a group call, the members of the group will be notified and you'll be displayed as it shows on the screen. Tap on Start Video Chat and that way you'll be able to make a group call on Telegram.
How to reset password on Telegram. At first, open the Telegram app on your device and tap Start Messaging. Here, enter your phone number. and tap Next. A verification code will be sent to your phone number, so enter the code here. If you forget your password, you must reset it, so tap Forgot Password. A verification code will be sent to your designated email address, so check your mail and enter the code. Tap Submit. Next, create a new password and re-enter the new password for confirmation. You can also add a password hint. It will help to remember your password in the future. When done, tap Save. And that's how you reset Telegram password.
How to reset your Telegram password. To reset your password for Telegram, tap Open your Telegram app. Make sure that you're logged into your Telegram account. From the main homepage of Telegram, tap the Settings button at the bottom right-hand corner. From the Settings menu, tap on Privacy and Security. Tap on the button that says Two-Step Verification, and now it'll ask you for your additional password in order to get to the next step. If you don't remember the password and you'd like to reset your password, simply tap on the Forgot Password link at the bottom. Now, enter the code that has been emailed in your email address associated with your Telegram account. Simply open up your email and you should receive a recovery code from Telegram. Give it a tap to open and copy your recovery code. Go back to Telegram app and paste in the code that you received into the code text box. On the next page, you'll get to choose a new password for your Telegram account. Type in the new password in the new password text box and re-enter the password on the next field again. Once you're done typing in your password and confirming it, tap the Continue button. Here you can create an optional hint for your password. Go ahead and type in the hint or skip the step by tapping on Skip at the bottom. That way, you'll be able to reset your password for your Telegram app. Pretty simple, isn't it? I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.